I would just mention a few things which I learned in my service. There would be ups and downs. So be prepared for it. Sometimes you feel you're on top of the world. Sometimes you feel that you're nowhere. So never lose heart. Never lose the confidence in yourself. I would also mention that apart from that, the strength to withstand problems and, attacks, you have to also have two traits, just two traits which I think are much more important for a civil servant than they are for other people, other assignments. First, you have to have compassion. Because most of the jobs now which we have been doing manually would be taken care of in times to come by AI. But it is the compassion which would differentiate you from a machine. So you are in a position to help people in distress. So keep that thing, your official positions, your paraphernalia, your privileges, your status symbols would come and go. But what would remain is the goodwill for you. And the fact that if you are remembered not as an officer who held this position or that position and rose so high in career, you should be aspiring to be remembered as an officer who cared for others, who protected others. So this would be very important. So for that, all of you, I'm sure most of us, we have that empathy, that sensitivity towards others' problems. But sometimes in the midst of work, heavy workload, we become somewhat insensitive. And we have to again and again tell us that, we are here to do bigger things, not to just dispose of some 4 or 5 matters and attend some meetings every day and come back. So that compassion is very essential. And the second thing, as they always say, so what is most uncommon is the common sense. So I have seen officers who have been highly educated, experts in their domains, but somewhere lacking in common sense. Now this is something which I am telling you, it may appear a little odd also, but as you go up the ladder, you would realize that common sense helps you in responding to the problems much better.